So next I'm going to show you guys the Jiggle Deformer, which is on page 385, and this is the last thing I need to do to the character before I create the character set. Okay, so that's pretty exciting. Let's get started, and it's quite easy to do. What I'm going to do is select the ears. So let me just hide my joints. Select the ear vertices by shift selecting these guys. Okay. The book shows you another way of selecting it, but really you want to just make sure that you select the first 3 rows of vertices on both sides. And I'm going to go to Create Deformers, Jiggle Deformer. Let's go into the options here, and I have this setting set up here already, but stiffness is going to be 0.2 for these ears. Damping is 0.05. If you want to know what each of these words mean, you can just look it up under Help. But weight is going to be 0.8, and Ignore Transform is going to be turned on. Right? I'm going to create. Okay, what that will do is, let's say you keyframe the neck joint. My auto keyframe is on. And 50. Okay. It'll give a bounciness to those vertices. Okay. It's quite a lot right now, so you can see how it just looks like it's stretching almost too much. Alright, so I'm going to just delete these keyframes here to get it back to normal. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and edit these deformers. So select the surface and go to Paint, Jiggle Weights tool. Okay, and what I like to do is just make sure that you have your smooth selected, and I just did it 10 times. I'm going to flood the smooth brush. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. About 20 works for me for this setup. Okay, if you want to just try animating him again, you can. But you want to be somewhat natural with this movement as much as possible. Okay, I think it's worthwhile to show it to you guys because you can use it for a variety of things. Okay, there is a subtle motion happening there. Alright, and just undo that and set it back to 0.